Welcome to InvenAsset, your smart assistant for warehouse inventory management. This short video will help you understand the main features and user interface. You are now on the dashboard page, the main screen where you can set up your company, configure notifications, and view different reports. At the top of every table in the system, you will find convenient filters and sorting tools to help you work faster and manage your data more easily. When a supplier delivers products to your warehouse, you need a simple and convenient way to enter that data into the system. After that, the system will start tracking the available products in your warehouse. Next, when you use products from the warehouse, you also enter this data to track product usage and inventory consumption. These simple actions allow the system to keep accurate track of your product stock. And when inventory levels drop to a critical point, you can easily restock in just a few clicks. And with our multi-warehouse system, you can manage multiple warehouses or departments at the same time, connect them into one network, and easily transfer products between them. This is just a simplified overview of the core workflow. In reality, InvenAsset gives you much more control over your entire warehouse operation. Use the sidebar to navigate between sections. You can also collapse it to expand your workspace. The first step is to add your products. To do this, go to the Products section. To make everything easier, we have prepared training videos for each section. When you are ready to begin, watch the video guide, and the process will be simple to follow. To add your first product, click the Create Product button. You will then see a form where you can enter the product details. For help with filling out the form, we recommend watching the short video guide, which will answer all the main questions. After adding your products, the next step is to create purchase orders so the system can track incoming stock and keep an accurate count of your current on-hand inventory. Here, we recommend starting with the training video first. After that, you can create your first purchase order. Just select the supplier, add the products you received, and save it. The system will automatically update your inventory table. This is how you add information about incoming products. Next, to record product usage, go to the Usage section. We designed every process to be consistent, clear, and easy to understand across all sections. All tables follow the same structure, and the entire workflow is based on creating orders, entering the product quantity, and selecting the direction of inventory movement. The usage process works the same way as a purchase order. Once you save it, you will immediately see the system subtract the selected quantity from your inventory. The Transfer section is used to move products between your warehouses. For more details, watch the Multi-Warehouse and Transfers video guide. If you simply need to enter the actual quantity of products currently available in your warehouse without creating purchase or usage orders, you can do this by creating an adjustment. And if you need to update stock quantities in bulk, go to the Inventory Count section. All future inventory calculations will be based on this starting quantity. For easy storage or export, you can download your reports in a convenient PDF format. This introductory video gives you a quick overview of the basic features. To learn more, watch our other short videos covering each section in detail. You can also use our AI assistant in the bottom corner. In addition to preset questions, you can ask anything you need in your own words. You can also take a screenshot and ask the assistant to help you understand the current section. But its features are not limited to system guidance. The AI assistant can also analyze your warehouse data, help you create orders, and much more. New features are added regularly, so the best way to learn what it can do right now is to ask the AI assistant directly.